causes of transmission slipping problems and symptoms to look out for. Welcome back to today's video. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. The transmission slipping problem can be a scary experience for any driver, but it doesn't have to be, and you don't need to panic just yet. That is why in today's video, we're going to dive into the causes of transmission slipping problems and the symptoms to look out for. Whether you have an automatic or manual transmission, we will talk about all that in this video. So buckle up and grab your notepad, and let's get started. So first off, what is the transmission? Well, a transmission is one crucial component of your vehicle that helps to transfer power from the engine to the wheels, making it possible for your vehicle to move or accelerate. Though there are several types of vehicle transmissions, all of them basically perform the same function. So when your car transmission starts slipping, it's a sign that you should get it checked by a repair shop, or you can do it yourself. And that is why this video will guide you as we begin with the most common symptoms and causes of transmission slipping problems. And first is the symptoms of transmission slipping in automatic transmission. You may notice the following symptoms in an automatic transmission when there is a slipping issue. 1. The check engine light will come on. 2. Your car transmission occasionally tries to upshift and then falls back into a lower gear. 3. Your transmission might totally refuse to upshift at all. 4. Your car starts running at a high RPM, resulting in your transmission falling into a lower gear, causing the engine to run at a high RPM. 5. Your car engine RPM increases, but the vehicle speed remains the same. 6. The reverse of your vehicle refuses to engage. 7. You notice a strange smell or a burning smell. 8. Unusual noises when shifting. 9. Hard, rough gear changes. For a manual transmission, you may also notice some of the signs mentioned above earlier, but most especially, you notice the following. 1. Your car transmission won't go into gear. 2. Your transmission falls out of the gear. 3. Unusual noises like grinding during a gear change. Now, let's look at the common causes of transmission slipping problems. 1. Low fluid level. If there isn't enough fluid in the transmission, the pump won't be able to create enough pressure to engage the next gear. Low fluid levels can also indicate a leak and cause overheating, leading to significant internal damage. What to do? Check the fluid level and fill it up if necessary. No. 2. Transmission fluid leak. A leak in the transmission can reduce the amount of fluid available to shift gears. Check the fluid level and look for any signs of a leak around the pan and on your drive. What to do? Seal the leaks with Lucas fluid. 3. Burnt or worn out fluid. Over time, the fluid breaks down, making it thinner and darker. If it's too thin or burnt, it won't be able to cool the bands and clutches, causing it to overheat and preventing it from shifting gears. What to do? Change the fluid. 4. Broken or worn out transmission bands. Metal bands are used to link the gears together in an automatic vehicle. If one of these bands is worn or broken, the gear won't be able to engage properly, causing it to slip. What to do? Replace or adjust the band. 5. Clutch problems. Manual transmission. The clutch is the cause of slipping in manual transmissions 90% of the time. If the friction material or throwout bearing is worn, you won't be able to engage the clutch and shift gears fully. What to do? Replace the clutch. 6. Worn or damaged automatic transmission. Clutch plates inside the transmission and torque converter engage the various gears. If the friction material on these plates is burnt or worn down, it can cause the transmission to slip out of gear. What to do? Change the fluid and replace the plates. 7. Worn out gears. Worn out gears can be caused by normal wear and tear, ineffective fluid, and overheating. Worn out gears don't work together correctly and can cause harsh gear engagement and slipping, or your car might not engage at all. What to do? Have a professional inspect the gears and replace them if necessary. So basically, a slipping transmission can show various signs, of which the solution will be a matter of identifying what caused it, and then you can have it fixed by a professional mechanic. That's all for today's video. Feel free to share any helpful information we've missed in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.